This video tutorial I will explain how to uninstall JDK 22 from Windows 11 operating system. You will be removing JDK 22 if you are looking to free up the space, resolve conflicts, or simply no longer need this version of Java in your system. Accessing control panel and programs. First you have to open the control panel, then navigate to programs and features, then find JDK 22 or Java SE Development Kit 22. To uninstall JDK 22, select Java SE Development Kit 22 from the list of programs. Click on Uninstall. The pop-up window may ask you to confirm the uninstallation. Click Yes to proceed. The uninstallation process will take a few moments. Once it is done, JDK 22 will be removed from your system. Click on Start menu, search for Control Panel, click on Programs and Features. Here you can see the list of programs installed in your system. Select Java SE Development Kit 22, right click on Uninstall, and JDK 22 is successfully uninstalled. Next we have to remove Java underscore home environment variable. For that you have to open environment variables by selecting edit the system environment variables. Then click on environment variables in the system properties window, and under system variables you can find Java underscore home. You have to delete it. Click on start, search for environment variable, click on edit system environment variables, click on environment variables. Here you can see Java underscore home, select it, then click on delete. To verify JDK 22 is uninstalled, open the command prompt, then type the command java-version. If JDK 22 is successfully uninstalled, it will either show a different version or say that Java is not recognized, depending on whether other versions are installed in your system. Open command prompt, run the command java-version, and here you can see the output. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So from this we can confirm JDK 22 is successfully uninstalled from my system. So the conclusion is you have successfully uninstalled JDK 22 from your Windows 11 operating system. If needed, you can now install a new version of JDK or continue without Java. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.